Yeah. Baby cakes, you just don't know how I like it down low.
Hey guys, it's Kelly, and for today's video I'm going to be doing trying magnetic eyelashes. So I saw these recently in a shop and they are Essence, by the brand Essence. They are magnetic eyelashes, so I picked up 2 pairs. They were $7.50 each, so I'm going to show you. These ones here are the curvy lashes. And the second set that I got are the cat eyelashes. So if you're like me and you're a little bit, I'm gonna say not dumb, but just a little bit, yeah, I had no idea how magnetic eyelashes would work. I was like, did you just like stick to your eye? I was so confused. But then I saw them, and on each eye there's 2 eyelashes, so there's a top one and the bottom one. So the top one goes on, I'm assuming, like a normal eyelash, and then the bottom one will just kind of clip onto it, but being on your top eyelash, if that makes sense. So the pair I'm going to try out now is the curvy lashes, just because they look a little bit less dramatic. So this is them up close. So your left eye and your right eye, top and bottom lashes. I was thinking of putting these on with tweezers, but tweezers are metal, so these are going to stick. So I'm just going to use my fingers. So this is kind of just going to be kind of a review. There's so many other brands of magnetic lashes you can get. I know Kiss have some. There is more, I just can't think right now. But yeah, I'm going to put these on. So I'm going to start with the left eye top lashes, which are these ones here. Oh, they just, yeah, they're extremely thin, like extremely thin. Gross, it's my face. So I'm just gonna pop these on. Okay, that's how they look now, and I'm trying not to move because they will fall off. And this is the bottom here. And I'm hoping these will just snap on nicely. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, oh, they're not on properly. I thought they would go, hold on. I thought they'd go on nice and like smoothly, but as you can see here, they're not fully connected. So I'm gonna try again. I feel like these are the kind of things that will take a few attempts to kind of get right. So I'm just gonna pop them off here and then just split them apart. And we're gonna go again. So top eyelash goes on. I think there is an applicator that you can buy with these. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh, found it. Huh? Okay, now we're on good. So this is what they look like. My camera's gonna die. Great. So this is what they look like here. I know this looks really weird and dramatic now, but once I have the other set on, I'm gonna come back because my camera's gonna die and I don't have time to do them both on camera. Okay, so I have them on. The second set literally took 1 try, but I just put the top one on, put the bottom one on, and it went on fine. So this is them. They look normal now. So they are only like half or 3/4 lashes. They're not a full strip. So as you can see, you can still see my little eyelashes coming through on both sides, which I actually prefer. So yes, this is them. So I'm going to keep them on throughout the day and do my daily stuff, and then I'm going to report back every few hours to see how they're holding out. And yeah, I actually really like the look of them. They just make my makeup and like my eyes just look a lot bigger and nicer. Hey guys, so it is now 5 to 5, so the lashes have almost been on 5 hours now, and I'm just going to show you them here. So they still look completely fine. They still feel completely fine. The only thing I notice is, oh my god, the shadow looks weird. The only thing I noticed is that when I did put on this hoodie, it like dragged them a little bit, but they stayed on completely up, like both ends are still fully on. It just kind of felt very strange. But yeah, they're still holding out perfect. So okay, so I know I look really bad, right? Hold on my Spotify. I know I look really bad right now because I'm after finishing a 3-hour, yeah, it's almost 11, it's a couple of minutes before 11, so I'm just home from a 3-hour dance and singing rehearsal, which was more intense than I thought. I thought it'd be very chill. It was not. So my lashes are still on. This one, I picked up my nail polish, I'm sorry. This one is still on fine, but this one here, I'm gonna just move this, it's quite hard to show. The ends are coming off a tiny bit. I don't know if you can see that, but you can kind of see it there. The ends are just lifting a little bit. I wanted to take them off just because it was easier to dance without them, but they're not that heavy at all. Like, you can't even feel them. But when we were like doing arms and stuff like that, I was just scared because you do get hit in the face a lot, and I was scared that I don't know, I just didn't want them to pull or anything. But they do stay on quite sturdy. Like, you can see that I'm pulling on them here and they don't come off. So yeah, they are quite sturdy and they're still on. So I'm gonna go take off my makeup now. So they have been on for 8 or 9 hours now, which I think is pretty good for lashes to stay on for. So yeah guys, that's my review slash first impressions of these eyelashes. For $7.50, I think they are worth it. They're so quick and so easy to put on. Literally just snap them onto your eyes. They do take a little bit of getting used to. I found at first they were a little bit like scratchy and uncomfortable. That's just, I think, because the band is quite thick when you have 2 on them, but after a few minutes you get completely used to them and that feeling goes away. There is a full set. I know these are only kind of like half sets. There is a longer set. Just where I got them, they didn't have the longer sets. They only had these and the yellow packet ones, which have glitter on the tips, which I did not want. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and my vlog channel, and all my social media are down below too. You can give them a follow, and make sure you check out my last video. It's linked down below and in the end card. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.